What's up, guys? Back with another reaction, like I said I would. And today we will be doing another reaction on Locksmith. He is on TeamBackpack, I believe. GQ, that's what it's called. But TeamBackpack has the best artists that freestyle ever, bro. It's like the best underground, we can say, freestyle ever, bro. So we can watch Locksmith throw some bars for real. Just like last time in the last reaction we did. Let's go.
Yeah, GQ, Oakland, California, Jamlin representative. Shout out TeamBackpack.
GQ is another artist. I didn't know that, so let's watch both of them freestyle.
Back Cypher, got my homie Locksmith with me.
Buffer game strong, bro.
Yeah, GQ, Oakland, California, Jamlin representative. Shout out TeamBackpack Cypher, got my homie Locksmith with me. Know how to skip rocks. Before this, I wasn't in your top 5 or Chris Rocks. In between the Passion of Christ and Passion of Tim Pox. Dealing with turbulence when the wind stops. Plum cookie crumbs and gall guts in a Ziploc shape. I'm in tip top, get it jumping like Blake over Kia, nigga with his hops. Globe trot like trick shots. I wonder why they don't love you until you get hot. I'm in a movie, life is a comedy with a sick plot cooking. Need a big pot, breaking like when a dish drop. My type of woman, type your bitch now. We fucked and cool, if not, then give a fuck if she can TikTok. Got more to worry about, the weather cool, but shit, my temp not. Where I'm from, kids popping pills for they sip scotch. In every block, got as many shooters as the Knicks got. Crazy when you think about it, doubt that you do though. Government be in control, but Kendrick found a loophole. Any goals I might have, just lay them out like school clothes. God love me, so do his angels. I'm out with pool hoes. Splitting like bananas, trip to the Bahamas. Soon as I get some commas, for now I'm top rhyming, but treat me just like I'm pasta. Whoever think they king.
The way this man GQ rap is like, he studied the rap game. He's just like, but he's still killing it at the same time. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
just like Mufasa. This is for the ones who ain't pick up a phone to holler, trying to get in touch. Can't today and probably won't mañana. I'm good as Maggiano's with a salad and lasagna. Few years from now, most you rappers probably can't find you. It's been an honor being here with y'all in this pure spot. Heroes die, legends don't. Rest in peace, Stuart Scott. We live in dreams from cold sheets. White man salary platinum, tripping off gold cleats. New fans get addicted by pressing play. When I'm around, she be like Stephen Clay. Splash.
Yeah. Look. Now let me play devil's advocate and insert this seed inside of your cabinet and try to deprogram whatever disease your fam planted in you continues to haunt your habits with. Travel quick, back to the time we were trapped in the bottom of a cattle ship, battled with, going overboard and aboard of the plank of the masses with, that equipped us with a lust for material things that's inanimate. Add a bit, a disconnected disinfect our true inhabitants. See, people think race is scientific fact, but it was socially constructed to hold certain people back. The system is bittersweet, both sides of the same tree. If Mike Brown doesn't exist, then neither does Jay-Z. That's how they...
He's giving you some knowledge, bro. Knowledge. Come on, man.
Just divided, just the wise, just implied. I just applied, I must advise. They pull you over, just comply. It's just a lie, they eventually blame someone. All I do is blow trees till they hang your ass from one. Numb from the medication, education, etiquette. Force feed people you colonize through settlements. Then they try to tell me catch up with less bark. What you expect, bitch? You got a 400-year head start. I'm lost in the riddle with my thoughts in the middle. Murdering niggas ready to cross through the middle. I don't give a fuck if you a boss or you little. I can sense a white nigga like a dog in his kennel. criminals get murdered whether they felt. You a corporate hand puppet. Start thinking for yourself. And they tell us white people, right people, red people, dead people, black people lack equal rights for hope. Our democracy's a mockery. The whole thing hypocrisy. Your ballot only counts towards the popular vote. So no, you can do it, but it's still just symbolic. The system was made for you to feel patriotic and not to make a difference. Your voice unnecessary, because the real president is selected in January and not in November. So please do remember that your electors do that in December. And I ain't here to start riffing, but Democrats and Republicans are more the same than they are different. Then there is a difference between.
You speaking fast, bro. They are more the same than they are different, bro. It's like, it don't really make a difference. You know, who you voting for?
Another, and some pledge allegiance to one and not the other. Then they try and wonder what their life's been missing. The older you get, the more you buy into the system. Locksmith, GQ, Lofty Goals, TeamBackpack, Jamla, what's up? This is my homie. Shout out to Nine, shout out to Cash, Don't Make Beats, Crisis, Rap, to my homies, man. TeamBackpack, IamLock.com. TeamBackpack.net.
Locksmith just hit everybody with some politics, knowledge, low equality, racism type knowledge, and everything. He just put in a short summary for everybody, like, there you go, bro. If you didn't know, now you know. TeamBackpack, guys. If you want to see some true battle rappers or just rappers, go to TeamBackpack. I used to watch that all the time, bro. I used to watch that all the time, for real. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, click the bell, comment down below what you want me to react to, and I will. Peace.